derivatives of trigonometric ratio. First, let us write the 6 trigonometric ratio in this order. We have learnt sin x, cos x, tan x. Next, we will write reciprocal of tan, that is cot x, reciprocal of cos, that is secant x, reciprocal of sine, that is cosecant x. So write all the 6 trigonometric ratios in this order. Then we'll find d by dx of these 6 trigonometric ratio in the same order. You can observe that any trigonometric ratio starting with c, there is cos x, cot x and cosecant x, will always be negative. So write minus sign here in these 3 places. Now how to memorize these derivative formulas is just follow the arrow mark. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So I just write here cos x. Now derivative of cos x, go back like this, is sin x. So I write sin x. Since there is a negative sign, derivative of cos will become minus sin x. Now come to tan. Again from tan, again we'll put an arrow mark, but this time it is not for cot. You have to jump one and come to the next one, that is derivative of tan x is, I write 2 here. It means that to remember that it is secant square x. It's 2 represents here square. So derivative of tan x is secant square x. So I write here secant square x. Now again from secant, we'll join back the same to tan and write into, which says that derivative of secant x is secant x into, this shows it's a multiplication of these 2 terms, secant x into tan x. So I write here derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Next, come to cot. From cot, again we jump one and come to cosecant x. Again this time I write 2 here, which represents square. So derivative of cot x is cosecant square x. So derivative of cot x is cosecant square x. From cosecant, I go back again to the same trigonometric ratio, that is cot, and write into, that means derivative of cosecant x is cosecant x into cot x. So cosecant x into cot x.